Imagine this. You just bought your dream truck, cruising down the highway, feeling like a king of the road. But then, out of nowhere, your engine starts making noises that sound like a blender on steroids. The truck comes to a screeching halt, and suddenly, you realize you didn't just buy a truck, you bought a full-time job. Stick around because we're diving into the 13 worst truck engines ever. And trust me, these engines will make your wallet cry louder than your engine ever will. 1. GM 6.2 LV8L87 engine, 2021-2025 models. First on the list is the GM 6.2 LV8L87 engine, powering the Chevrolet Silverado 1500, GMC Sierra 1500, and Cadillac Escalade. On paper, this engine seems like a powerhouse, but in reality, it's a ticking time bomb. There have been multiple reports of crankshaft bearing and connecting rod failures, which can cause the engine to completely seize, leaving you stranded. GM has issued recalls affecting hundreds of thousands of vehicles, and if you own one, you definitely want to have it checked. It's like buying a sports car, only to find out it's got a lawnmower engine under the hood. 2. Ford 2.7L EcoBoost V6 2015-2025. Next up is the Ford 2.7L EcoBoost V6, found in the Ford F-150 and other Ford models. This engine is known for turbo failures and oil leaks. The turbocharger tends to fail under heavy loads, leading to huge repair bills. And when those oil leaks pop up, you're looking at performance issues, decreased reliability, and costly damage over time. Ford has issued several recalls and service bulletins, but if you're already driving one of these trucks, it's a good idea to stay on top of your engine's health. Imagine buying a truck that's supposed to be tough, only for it to give you a soft spot in the wallet. 3. Ram 3.0L EcoDiesel V6 2014-2025. The Ram 3.0L EcoDiesel V6. This engine is known for excessive oil consumption and turbocharger failures. While the Ram 1500 with this engine promises fuel efficiency and strong towing power, many owners have found that it burns through oil much faster than expected, leading to engine misfires, poor performance, and even engine failure. Ram has issued recalls, but many owners still find themselves with expensive repair bills. This engine is like that one friend who borrows your car, but somehow ends up with an empty gas tank and a cracked windshield every time. 4. Toyota 3.5 LV6 2022-2025. Toyota is known for its reliability, but even giants stumble. The Toyota 3.5 LV6 engine, found in the 2022-2025 Toyota Tundra, has serious issues with crankshaft bearings. This problem is due to machining debris left in the engine during production, causing breakdowns and engine stalls. The defect is significant enough that Toyota has issued a recall for over 200,000 vehicles in the US alone. When your engine stalls in the middle of nowhere, and all you can do is look at the off-road trails and think, well, at least I made it to the trail. 5. Ford 3.5 L EcoBoost V6 2015-2025. The Ford 3.5 L EcoBoost V6, found in the Ford F-150 and Ford Expedition, is notorious for timing chain failures and oil consumption issues. These problems cause the engine to run rough, misfire, and lead to major engine damage. Ford has issued several recalls for this engine, but the issues persist, especially in older models. The oil consumption problems can also cause the engine to burn through oil faster than normal, leading to premature wear and tear. This engine's timing is so bad, it could be the reason your schedule's always off. 6. Chevrolet 5.3 LV8 2014-2025. The Chevrolet 5.3 LV8 engine, found in the Chevrolet Silverado 1500, has a reputation for oil consumption problems and timing chain failures. The oil consumption issue can cause the engine to burn through oil rapidly, leading to increased maintenance costs and potential engine damage. Timing chain failure is another major problem, which causes the engine to misfire and run rough. Despite numerous recalls and service campaigns, this engine continues to plague many Silverado owners. This engine eats oil like it's Thanksgiving dinner, and you're the one stuck paying for the cleanup. 7. Nissan 5.6 LV8 2015-2025. Nissan's 5.6 LV8, found in the Nissan Titan, has suffered from timing chain issues and oil leaks. The timing chain problems lead to poor engine performance, causing rough idling and eventual engine stalling. The oil leaks are a persistent issue, leading to increased maintenance costs and the risk of further engine damage. While Nissan has addressed some of these issues through recalls, they still remain a concern for many Titan owners. This engine's oil leaks might be the only thing it's consistently good at. 8. Honda 3.5 LV6, 2015-2025. Honda's 3.5 LV6, found in the Honda Ridgeline and other models, has a reputation for oil consumption and timing chain issues. Owners have reported increased oil consumption that affects performance and leads to higher maintenance costs. The timing chain issues cause engine misfires, rough idle, and eventually engine damage. While Honda is generally known for reliability, this engine has been a significant exception to the rule. It's like buying a Honda for reliability and then getting the one that's constantly running late, just like the timing chain. 9. Jeep 3.6L Pentastar V6, 2015-2025. The Jeep 3.6L Pentastar V6, found in the Jeep Gladiator and other models, is infamous for oil leaks and timing chain failures. These issues have caused many owners to experience rough engine performance, increased oil consumption, and costly repairs. Jeep has attempted to address these issues, but if you own a Gladiator or another vehicle with this engine, you'll want to stay on top of maintenance to prevent significant problems. When your engine leaks oil more than your sink, you might want to rethink that off-road adventure. 10. Ford 7.3L V8, 2020-2025. The Ford 7.3L V8 engine, found in the Ford Super Duty trucks, has been plagued with fuel system issues that can cause performance problems. While the engine is known for its power, owners have reported issues with fuel injectors and fuel pumps that lead to rough idling, poor acceleration, and poor fuel economy. Ford has issued some recalls, but if you're buying a used truck with this engine, you'll want to ensure these issues have been addressed. It's like buying a powerhouse and then discovering it has the fuel efficiency of a school bus. 11. Chevrolet 6.6L Duramax Diesel V8, 2020-2025. The Chevrolet 6.6L Duramax Diesel V8, used in the Chevrolet Silverado HD and other models, has been known for fuel injector failures and turbocharger problems. These issues can lead to engine performance problems, poor fuel economy, and costly repairs. If you own a truck with this engine, make sure to stay on top of maintenance, as these issues have been persistent in some models. When your diesel engine runs smoother than your last relationship, that's when you know you've got a problem. 12. Tesla Cybertruck Electric Powertrain, 2023-2025. The Tesla Cybertruck's electric powertrain has had trim piece detachment and potential fire hazards, raising safety concerns. While Tesla is known for its innovative designs, these early issues with the Cybertruck's electric powertrain show that the technology still has some kinks to iron out. 13. Rivian R1T Electric Powertrain, 2023-2025. Finally, we have the Rivian R1T with its electric powertrain. While Rivian has been making waves in the electric truck market, their R1T has been plagued with software glitches and drivetrain issues, causing performance hiccups for some early buyers. Now that you know the 13 worst truck engines of 2025, it's clear that some engines, despite their power, can cause more headaches than they're worth. Whether you're a truck enthusiast or just seeking reliability, always do your research before buying. No one wants to end up stuck with a broken engine and an empty wallet. An engine that sounds great at first might be more of a money pit than a road warrior. If you're buying used, make sure the issues have been addressed. If this video saved you from making a bad purchase, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more truck insights. Got your own engine horror story? Drop it in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you.